Hi, I'm Shama, founder and president of Clean Your Dirty Face.
I'm Hannah. I'm Alexa.
I'm Sarah.
Usually, our corporate team stays behind the scenes, but this time we've decided to pull off our masks and bring to you how to give yourself a mini facial at home to keep your skin glowing while we're waiting to open our doors for you again.
All right, so we have all of our ingredients, so we're gonna start mashing. All right, so once it's all mashed, it should look something like this. It's a little purpley from the blueberries. Nice consistency. Next, we just need to apply it. Keep it on for as long as you want, honestly. I'd say maybe 15-20 minutes. All right, so I'm all cleansed and exfoliated, so now I'm ready for a mask. And I'm gonna just dive right in. Smells good. I'm gonna let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll be back to rinse it off and tone and moisturize. So I have the mask on right now. It's kind of hardening, so it's really hard for me to move my face right now. But that means it's working. It's awesome. For storage, I would put it in a little container like this guy and keep it in your fridge. This is gonna last me a while, so I will be good at home. So here you go. Here's a little at-home facial you can do for yourself while you're inside.